Hello, my name is Hal. I'm the production manager here, and today I wanted to show you one of our workhorses in our restoration lineup. This is our extra large dehumidifier. It's what we call a low grain dehumidifier. It brings the humidity as close to zero as you can get it, and it helps dries out structures for water losses. And to get the dehumidifier set up, I'll show you what we usually do. We have our cords that are set up here in front or on top. Get the power cord set aside here. We'll hook up our drain hose. These dehumidifiers purge by themselves, so you want to make sure the hoses are into a good working drain. Once the purge hose has been hooked up, we can plug it in, get her going. Once it's up and running, what this process actually does is it takes the moist air that we're putting into the environment, takes it into the dehumidifier, condenses it, purges it out, and then it also puts out super dry air out of the outtake. And what that does is it helps pull the moisture out of the materials we're trying to dry and puts hot dry air in, so that way the moisture is wanting to leave those materials and get them dried out.
Hal can show up at your house and get that thing dried out, so it'll be just like